Ready to challenge your understanding of power options for Wi-Fi cameras? Here's a question for you. Can we use a mobile USB charging power adapter for a Wi-Fi CCTV camera? A. No, only specialized power adapters should be used. B. Yes, but it supports USB 5V power, not fast charging adapters. C. Yes, but it will void the camera's warranty. D. No, USB adapters are not compatible. Do you have the answer? Let's see if you guessed correctly. Here's the answer you've been waiting for. Correct answer is B. Yes, but it supports USB 5V power, not fast charging adapters. You can generally use a mobile USB charging power adapter to power a Wi-Fi CCTV camera, provided that the camera is designed for USB operation and supports 5V power. It's important to avoid using fast charging adapters, as they may not be compatible with the camera's requirements. Always check the camera specifications for complete compatibility to ensure proper operation.